Okay guys, welcome back. Hope everybody's keeping well. So I'm going to tell you is a wee Gosling pattern. This is it here. I'm going to show you how to put it together. Now the hook in the vase is a Kamasan B175 in size 10, so 10s and 12s or whatever size you like. You can also tie them in a size 8 if you wish. The thread they're going to use is the Textreme thread in 80 in black. So it's going to come in a couple of mil behind the eye of the hook. Run the thread down past the point of the hook. The tail, some bronze mallard fibres. So, let's see, they're no good, get rid of them. And try and get a good marked, well marked bronze mallard really. Spin them up. Now the tail, I want the tail roughly around about a length and a bit, or a length and a half of the hook over the back. I just like the tail longer when I'm tying Gosling patterns. You can also use cock pheasant fibres if you wish, that's up to you. A rib, a small oval gold tinsel. Right, let's go back, get it levelled up, and then work my thread forward. Now the body's going to be dubbed, so if you're going to tie the pattern you don't need to worry about lumps and bumps. And then we can work the thread back in open turns, tied up against the tail. The body itself is just a natural seal's fur. I'm just taking it out of this is the natural seal's fur dispenser boxes, or one of them that I have. So just dub it on, slide it up, and then we'll get it started onto the shank of the hook, and we can tighten as we go. Just keep spinning it onto the thread. Now any wee fibres, just sweep those back and bring your thread in front. Now if you're going to tie the wee dressing, just leave yourself plenty of room at the front here, because there's three hackles to go on at that point there, and then follow this around with your thread. Come in, trim away the waste. The first hackle I'm going to put on, this is a sunburst orange Chinese cock hackle. I'm only looking 2 or 3 turns of this. Enough of this up to the hook. Turns, fold the tip of the hackle back. Break away the tip of the hackle. Just gotta leave ourselves a bit of room because we're going to roll some bronze mallard in front of this. Now if you have a smallish bronze mallard fibre, a smallish bronze mallard hackle, you can always just wind the mallard hackle on. But most of the feathers that I have now they're too long, so just strip away the rubbish from the bottom, bring out the fibres, rip that away. Now what I want to do is to line the fibres up just the best I can, and then fold them in on each other. Just have a wee check. Just want to make sure that they're sort of be semi-lined up, if you like. Now, want the bronze mallard fibres sort of way coming halfway into the tail. So just offer it up, and then just come in and just hold it with my thumb, and then just work the thread. Just let it roll the fibre at that point, and then tighten up. Then we can see where we are. Make sure it's the whole way around. Once I'm happy, which I am, tighten up with more 2 or 3 turns, and then come in and trim away the waste. It's best to take your time here, because trimming away the mallard, you don't want any of it to end up over the eye of the hook. There's nothing worse. Now, it's going to, any wee fibres, stroke them back. I'm going to bring my thread to the eye of the hook, and then build my thread up over the top of the cut ends. Now we're starting to look a business. The next hackle, this is a silver pheasant feather that has been dyed a sunburst yellow. So just going to take away the rubbish from the bottom. Now, just going to get a better feather than that actually. So there's a couple of wee fibres, it's broken up. Now I don't want the full feather, guys, because it's going to be too much for me. But you can put the full feather on. Traditionally it's some basically mallard dyed that's wrapped around the hook at this point. First thing I want to do, I want to check where I want to tie it in. Just so I can get the fibres that I want. So it's only going to be really a turn and a half of this really. So I'm just going to offer it up to the hook. Come in with 2 or 3 turns, going to fold back the tip. Now, the tip just broke there, almost folding it back. The feather's tied in, and then we'll just lay this around. Just another half a turn really, and we'll catch this in off underneath. It's plenty. Don't want the excess fibres there, it's just too much for me. However, you dress it the way you like. Just going to come in, turn the vise, trim away the stem. Just forget everything else at the minute, and then just build up your head. Don't be shy with the head on it. Yeah. And then come in and throw in a whip finish. Your thread tight. Trim away your tying thread. Now you can come in at this point and then open everything up. It's a lovely colour. It's lovely feather dyed. The golden pheasant, or sorry, the silver pheasant, just because it's such a soft, mobile fibre. It just wants to sort of stick together, the fibres. Then first coat onto the head. After we've checked our work, we drop a super glue for me. Use varnish or UV resin. It's your own personal choice. And there you go, guys, that's just my wee own Gosling pattern. I have loads of silver pheasant. It's dyed there in different colours. Nice olive in it too. Maybe use that for a wee mayfly pattern that'll show you. And there you go. Just a wee bit of a different take on the on the Gosling pattern. So as always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing. It just helps the wee channel grow. And until next time, be good. You can't be good, be careful. Do plenty of fishing, and all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks guys, bye.